Hi Barry Cross, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'd like to show you how to use Safelists and how to use email marketing to generate affiliate marketing leads and sales for your business. And I'm going to email out today to 500,000 prospects in just a few minutes. So I'll talk you through each of these platforms as I go through them. The first one's called Herculist. And I'm in the back office now of Herculist in the Safelists ad mailer. I'm going to press submit ad. I've done previous videos on how to use Herculist, and Herculist there you'll see I've joined. I've emailed out to 291,000 members. So it's free to join. There'll be a link in the description, and you can start by emailing out to 1,000 every single day with Herculist. Each one of these includes tier 1 traffic and buyers. I'm going to go into my lead gen secret now. My lead gen secret, I'm going to go into mailing system. My lead gen secret is 100% tier 1 leads. I'm going to go into select all. So these leads come from UK, Canada, USA, Australia and New Zealand. And you'll see there I'm going to email out to 128,400. So with my lead gen secret, you get 100 to 200 leads every day. I'm going to load the previous message up from yesterday and send that again. You don't need an autoresponder with my lead gen secret. It's got a built-in email messaging system. All you do is go on to perfect timing. Click preview to make sure that all your links are working okay. Links are working okay. And you start out with 100 leads per day. And then with the affiliate program, it's got a great affiliate program that goes down 5 levels. I'll just send email and send that one out. If you get one paying referral, then you get 200 leads a day. So you're going to get 6,000 leads every single month. It's a great way to build your list from here. You can email, as you can see there, once a day. These leads are even your own. So with my lead gen secret, you can download these leads and email them to them more than once a day if you wish to do so. I'm now in European Safelist. Again, I've preloaded everything in here. So European Safelist. Let's have a look here. I can go up to 17,000. So I'll do that today. 17,725. So what I do is I use these safe lists to build my own list. So I promote a lead capture page. Let's just click send on that one. I promote a lead capture page. That's mailing in progress. And then what I'm doing is I'm taking the tier 1 traffic and the buyers, I'm taking them away from the safe list onto my own list. This one's called Global Safe List. With this one, I'm going to email out to 10,000 members. So I'll put 10,000 in there. Don't need to save the message. I've saved that already. So let's press send on there. And I started out with just literally sending out. I started out with Hercules, just 1,000 a day, and I built it up over the months. Proactive Mailer is the next one, and with Proactive Mailer, what I like about Proactive Mailer is that the owner, Phil, he cleans out his list, send every 30 days. So you're only going to be promoting your offer to active members, to members that are going to actually see your email. You'll see that's a lead capture page I'm sending out. I'm going to confirm my site, and that's that one done. The next one's called Mr. Safe List, and this is a safe list owned by Jerry Iannucci. And what I'm going to do with, I haven't preloaded that one yet. What I'm going to do is, let's just go into here. I'm going to give you a free ebook by Jerry. So there'll be a link in the description. Just show you quickly how easy it is to do this. Just go into saved email. Where's the one I'm sending? All right, I haven't preloaded that one from before, so I'm going to send that one again. I'm sending a different one to this list today because I haven't loaded it up. So that one's going to go out. So I'm going to give you a free ebook by Jerry. He's a professional safe list marketer, and there'll be a link in the description where you can download the ebook. And I've learned a lot from Jerry. This one's going out to 23,000. You've got 5 different groups. This is a safe list called Pangea by Marian Myers. She's been marketing online for over 10 years. She's a traffic expert as well. You can choose from 5 groups here. Let's just go with group 2 again. Send email out. I think there's 27,000 members in each of those. State-of-the-art mail has been online for over 10 years. What I recommend you do with these, I recommend you spend a percentage of your time, not just promoting your business opportunity all the time. Spend a percentage of your time promoting traffic, promoting Safelists and traffic exchanges and traffic products. Let's just send that one there. This one's been online for over, this has got 50,000 members, I think, and it's been online for over 10 years, state-of-the-art mailer. So I recommend that you spend a percentage of your time promoting traffic products because everyone needs more traffic. We're in Darren Orlander's sites now. Darren Orlander's been online for, I think, about 13, 14 years. He's a traffic expert. So we're going to go into send email. And that one's doing a frame breaker test. So you'll see I'm sending out a lead capture page. I'm doing the same promotion for all of these, bar one. So this one's called List Surfing, another one of Darren Orlander's sites. So yeah, I do recommend that you can set up a free account for all of these. That's going to go into frame breaker test. And then what I recommend you do is, what I did, a strategy that I teach my students, is that when you get some commissions and some profit, reinvest and upgrade into some of these traffic sites. And that way, this is Adchiever again by Darren Orlander, because when you upgrade, what you can do is you can email out more often. That's gone into the frame breaker test as well. What you can do is you can email out more often, and you can start to reach a larger audience. So you'll see there that I've emailed out to 500,000 prospects. And when I first started, I was emailing out to 1,000 a day. So I've built that up over the months. I've reinvested into upgrading. I've reinvested from profits, not from my own money, my own bank account. And that way you start to, and if you've got offers that convert, the key is to continually build a larger audience every single month, and that way you earn more money faster. So this is the ebook by Jerry Iannucci. Jerry has been marketing a professional safe list marketer now for over 10 years. So the link in the description, you can get this free ebook here, and there's some great information in here from Jerry. I'm also going to give you a free 7-figure earner training by one of my mentors, Jeff Amon. And this 7-figure earner blueprint training, it's a blueprint training and a system that Jeff has used to quit his job 6 years ago. So it's 7 video tutorials that will teach you how to promote any affiliate marketing program that you want to succeed with. It's a superb, detailed training using free tools. So I'll put a link in the description. It'll take you to a training page exactly the same as this. And then you can watch those videos and learn a lot from a grandmaster in the affiliate marketing industry, 7-figure earner Jeff Amon. So if you've enjoyed today's video, then please give me a like, a big blue thumbs up like. That will help support my YouTube channel, so I'd really appreciate that. And please click subscribe and the bell icon if you'd like to see more videos from me. I'm doing new videos every single week, several new videos every week, and I've currently got over 750 videos now on the channel. If you've got any questions at all about any of the safe lists or email marketing, then please leave those in the comments below, because it's a strategy that I use on a daily basis to generate leads and sales for my affiliate marketing business. I put my email address in the description if you want to contact me direct through email. And then all of these safe lists that I've shown you today, bar one, are all free to join. So there'll be links in the description where you can set up your free accounts, have a look inside, see what they're all about, see how they work, and start getting some more traffic and start building up some more traffic to promote your offers. Thanks very much for watching. I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.